How's it going, everybody? So a really kind of informal video this week. I am outdoors at my dad's house right outside of New Orleans, um, sporting my super duper America mask here, bandana. So just going to be really quick this week. Last week, upon you all watching this video, you have finished the two assignments, the discussion board on the project proposal and the project proposal assignment itself. One, the former due Friday, the latter due Sunday, the 5th. I'm recording this on the 5th. Be released, of course, like always, first thing Monday morning, the 6th in this week's case. What are we doing for this week? So we're going to revert back to what we did 2 weeks ago. You guys probably get the flow of things by now. We do an assignment week, and then we do a quiz reading week. So this week, in that fashion, is going to be a quiz reading week. We're moving on. The next step in our overall project on addressing an industry problem is what's called a usability test report. Okay. Now we'll go over this in more detail next week when it will be due, when you collaborate with your group. But it's probably a good idea to read Chapter 13 and reach out to your group members to kind of get ahead on things and see how you all can proceed from your proposal to the usability test report. Okay. Again, this is covered in Chapter 13, so I ask you all to read closely and carefully Chapter 13 this week. What will you have due this week? So remember 2 weeks ago we had a quiz on the material that we had covered then. Similarly, this week we will have a quiz on chapters 16 and 18. Now, for your for your project proposal, that just covered chapter 16. Chapter 18 dealt with recommendation letters, okay? And remember I said we didn't really have to read that chapter for completing your project proposal. However, for the quiz that I'm going to post this Wednesday, just like last time, so that's Wednesday the 8th, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the 8th. I will post the quiz, and it'll be due Sunday. Same deal as it has been. 60 minutes. Once you open it, you have to complete it. Combination of multiple choice, true and false, fill in the blank, on chapters 16 and 18. So there will be information on the quiz having to do with recommendation letters, chapter 18. So again, our third quiz is going to cover chapters 16 and 18. Okay. Project proposal information, chapter 16. Recommendation letter information, chapter 18. Okay. Another 10-question, 50-point quiz, posted Wednesday the 8th, and it will be due that Sunday. Let's see, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, the 12th, minute before midnight. Okay, and that's all we have this week. So I'm relying on you all to read the material in chapter 13 and then to complete your quiz. Okay, posted Wednesday up until Sunday. Okay, and that really is what we're doing this week. That, you know, the material we're doing doesn't really necessitate a really long video. So basically I'm going to leave it at that. I will say, if you want to get ahead, if you want to know what is coming up, go ahead and refer to the project ditto that is in files in Canvas. Okay, you'll see next we have after our usability report, I believe we have our progress report. So you could see the forthcoming steps and when they're due. If you all want to start collaborating with your group, referring to the chapters in the textbook, talking with your group before the discussion boards are up for that week, before you have to turn in that week's assignment having to do with your project. That is on you, okay? You can talk to each other independently outside of me setting up a discussion forum for you, okay? Just a little food for thought there, okay? Yeah, I think that is all we need to discuss this week, everybody. Quiz 3, Chapter 16 and 18, posted Wednesday, due Sunday, and read and familiarize yourselves with the information in Chapter 13, usability test reports. That's what we're going to have due next week with its accompanying discussion forum. Okay? So a quiz reading week this week, a discussion forum assignment having to do with our project week next week. Okay? All right, everybody, so I'm going to go ahead and sign off from sunny southeast Louisiana here, and I will talk to you all next week. If you have any questions or anything else, let me know. I will be grading your discussion forum and your project proposals throughout this week. Okay? All righty. Peace. Talk to you next week.